Rwanda has embraced the digital transformation of education to boost ICT skills in learners by switching to digital classrooms. 531 schools, both primary and secondary, representing 9% of all schools countrywide, have access to internet connectivity. Rwanda and Microsoft are optimistic that in coming years, all schools in Rwanda will go digital. However, as the Minister of Education, Dr. Papias Marimba, explains, this will be achieved through the efforts of all the concerned individuals and institutions. He therefore called on the parents to change their mindset about ICT.
If the mindset is not changed, we will remain tied to the traditional way of education. Parents and teachers should adjust to embrace new technology. The parents should be flexible. When we ask them to buy an ICT equipment for their children, they should feel responsible to buy them the same way they would feel responsible to buy scholastic materials.
Apart from building ICT and energy infrastructure, a new ICT-related curriculum is being thought about. The approach of smart classrooms is evident in some schools around the country through the projects championed by ICT companies such as Microsoft. Mark East is in charge of global education field teams in Microsoft.
They're moving that way now because employers are saying they need these higher order skills. They need problem solving, they need creativity, they need the ability to have computational thinking, which is why computing science is becoming more important in schools today, because they want to teach all students some degree of computing science, so they change their outlook to be more computational thinking.
The digital transformation of education in Rwanda started in 2015. In the next 3 years, the program will reach 3 million students, while 61,000 teachers will be using Wi-Fi internet in smart classrooms.